die. We are young. So I set the world on fire. Wanna go higher. What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? So as you can see, we are in a hotel room because we are...
Oh. I thought you were talking to me. I didn't know what you were
I was
doing.
not talking to you. I'm trying to do my intro for my video.
Oh, well, now
that we're down here in Benson, North
I
Carolina.
thought you were talking to me.
I wasn't talking to you, buddy.
Okay.
I don't want to see anything you got to show. No, close the crack.
Good morning.
There's a crack right there.
Welcome to the channel.
All right, guys. As you know, we are down here in North Carolina, and we have an event that Son of Steve and myself.
If you guys are new to the channel, I am Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing. Deuces, guys.
Anyways, guys, if you don't know what's going, will you shut the fuck up, man? Oh my God. So we're down here in Benson, North Carolina at the drag race event at Galot Motorsports. If you guys know what we're talking about, we're going to be there Saturday and Sunday. Actually, we're down here right now, obviously, as you can tell. But we're going to be down there Saturday and Sunday racing. Well, I am with Ghost. And I'm hoping to, have some fun and meet some people, which will be great. Son of Steve has merch. I have merch. I can't talk about what Son of Steve is doing right now for me. But we both have merch to sell and everything. So basically, I'm going to start this vlog where we started, which was on the way down here. So I hope you guys enjoyed. We had a little bit of an interesting trip. So here you go, guys. Enjoy.
That's because he's probably doing 140. We're doing 70.
Let's catch up.
Yeah. Unfortunately, he's probably only 3,000 pounds. We're 16 or 17.
We could definitely catch up to him. What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? So I'm with good old Son of Steve. We got Ghost in the back. All of our stuff, our merch, all that jazz for this weekend's upcoming event at Galot Motorsports. It's called, what's it called? Everything Goes, Anything Goes event, I think. So if you guys don't know about it, you do now.
Oh, that girl is hot.
Like,
we're about to die.
And we're about to die now. This is some legit.
Got a Subaru broken down over here.
Where's the Subaru at? Oh, Lordy,
Man down.
Probably started to overheat or something.
Oh no, he's pissing.
Oh, he's pissing.
He's pissing.
Well, we definitely are having some eerie feelings here. You know what I mean? So we're in Virginia, and we're stuck in traffic on I-95 South. And we're slowly but surely, I got smoking a hell of a cigar right there. Slowly but surely making our way down to the Motorsports, to the hotel room.
He's got a bunch of electronics in
Yeah, I seen all the electronics he had, dude. Like infrared, all kinds of shit.
He's gonna hit that.
Oh my God. Terrible, terrible, terrible. He's like out of my way. Oh shit. Out of service. No crap, it isn't out of service. Of course it's out of service. So yeah, we're all suffering right now. It is 93 degrees. That sucks. And we got good old Mary Poppins over here with the leggings up. And he got a white beater on it.
It's hot.
It is hot. And we have a huge storm behind us. You guys can see that storm. Literally creeping up on our asses right now. We're probably gonna get hit with it. It's probably gonna downpour for like 30 minutes. And then the sun's gonna come out and it's gonna be humid as hell. And we'll really be sweating. And you know what? You wanna know the best part of this entire adventure? Steve, do you wanna tell them the best part of this entire adventure?
I'm tired.
No, we don't have any AC in the truck either. Now we are in Steve's truck, obviously, not my truck. My truck has AC, but my truck don't.
Shit will when we get down there.
We're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it when we get down there. So it should be an interesting time fixing your AC. Well, watching you fix your AC and stuff.
Yes.
You can tell we're both like kind of like out of it. We just want to get through this traffic at this point. We're so over it.
Dude, an hour
So
in
dumb.
traffic is just ridiculous.
Yeah, they need to, whatever happened, they need to get it cleaned up or whatever. I don't know. But it's
17
terrible.
miles.
17 miles of literal speedometer not even moving for that matter. Like 0 miles creeping along. No mile per hour, guys. So we're gonna get out of this traffic. We're gonna start heading down the highway, and we'll be back when we are actually like moving finally again. Because I'm sure you guys don't want to see this boring traffic and hear my boring voice talk about boring nothing. Fine. Ladies and germs, we have an update. The crackle of lightning that you guys did not hear that before I turned the camera on.
We're in a little bit of a storm.
We're in a little bit of a monsoon, but bonus, car's getting washed. My tent's getting soaked. Wow. Crazy. Steve, do you believe in windshield washers, buddy? Windshield wipers, like, this shit's like going...
I mean, we're not calling it. It's hail.
That's hail, dude. Why is it hailing?
I guess I gotta turn my GoPro on now.
Oh my god. It's like bouncing off the hood.
So apparently while we're here in our traffic, it's deciding to hail on top of a thunderstorm.
Oh, it's terrible. This is so terrible. This is some southern storms I was telling you about. Like, they're terrible down here. Like, you get these flash flooding storms. It's just stupid.
This is epic. We've gone literally nowhere.
Yeah, literally. We're going 10 miles an hour. And now everybody's going to slow down because of the rain.
I got leaves all over.
Oh my god.
As if an accident wasn't enough.
Yeah, exactly. The storm beat us here. You know why? Because the storm didn't have to wait for the accident.
The storm went by the evil plot. How's that thing go?
I don't know. I don't even care anymore. Oh my god. It's coming down now, buddy. It's coming down now.
I'm coming over. I can't.
Oh shit, he's coming over too, Steve. They got their 4-ways on. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Well, now it's a party.
We're in it now, boys. We're in it now. I'm glad I can bring you all along for this epic ride.
Holy.
How's my car back there? Oh, you can't even see my damn car.
All right, well.
Hey, it's still back there, so I don't care.
Like
it is hammering, dude.
No, that's hail.
Oh my god, look at the hail.
Look at the hail on the window.
Oh, this is terrible.
Look at the hail.
This is so terrible.
Oh my.
Steve, what are we gonna do?
I'm not
what are we gonna do?
Wipers.
Steve, yeah, use the windshield wipers. We can't see anything. No. Turn them on. Oh my god. Look at that.
This is dangerous.
Oh
There's
my.
hail everywhere.
This is redunculous.
Well, not only is my truck a flood truck, it's now a hail truck.
I'm gonna have hail damage on my car.
On the road.
What's that? Yeah, oh yeah, okay. We'll report back here a little later when we exit the scene of the horrific monsoon.
That is bad.
Anybody in it? Yeah, they're on the phone. Tonight, we are young. So I set the world on fire. Wanna go higher than the sun tonight.
We're out of the bad weather.
Yeah.
Let's keep plugging and chugging.
We're plugging and chugging, people. We got sunlight ahead. Woo! All right, guys, we are getting gas. Whew. Car's doing real good on the back here. Can't complain. Let's take a look, make sure the straps are nice and tight. Yeah, they're good. They're good. We're like, dude, look at my rotors. Dude, look at my rotors. That storm did a number on my rotors, boss. We got to take her for a little drive when we get her off the trailer. Oh yeah, she's doing pretty. She's doing real good. I know, doesn't it? Fucking goofy, dude. Ooh, doggy. Oh, she's looking real good. Real good on the 13.5-foot trailer that Steve got. I guess Steve needs some gasolina.
I don't need gas. I can't put gas in it, otherwise
Yes, you can. Put gas in it. I dare. I triple dog double dare you.
No.
What's leaking? Oh, is that just water?
It better just be water.
The fuck?
Whatever.
Oh my god. My tent's probably soaked, dude. Oh yeah, my tent is soaked. It's completely soaked. It's nylon top, so it'd be fine. It'd be fine. How much is, oh, look at that diesel. $2.94. That's not bad. All right, guys, we're like 2 hours away from...
It is tearing them tires.
Dude, fuck yeah.
I'm gonna have to do the alignment after all.
Yeah, we're like 2 hours away, so we're gonna go in here and get some food, get some gas, and then get there. We literally found Leroy Jr.
Leroy Jr.
This is Leroy Jr., dude. Oh my god, this is crazy. What CC engine does it have? Dude, it has about 3 horsepower engine. How much is this thing? It'll fit in the back of the truck? Dude, if this is like $100, I'm buying it.
It ain't gonna be 100, but it
Dude, you don't think
like
so?
3.
No, no way. Oh, I so want this so bad. I was like, how long have we been driving? Like 7 hours?
About 8 hours.
8 hours we've been driving. We're getting here for free, right?
I don't know.
Just tell them we're here with John.
Hi there.
Hi.
We're technically just meeting somebody here.
We're not racing or
Go to the
anything.
hotel. John.
Is this for like this weekend?
It'll be
Yeah,
for
this is
Saturday.
we'll be here this weekend, so.
Okay.
So what do you want
Are
me to
y'all
do?
going in to test and tune?
No, we're not doing any testing
Yeah,
tunes.
no.
No.
Just pull up over there into the grass and wait.
Okay. Alright. That'll work.
What the? What?
I don't know.
Pull up into the grass?
Yeah, I don't know.
He is? Is that the thing? Nah, it's not it.
No.
Never mind.
And he's very loud.
I am very loud. I'm a loud mofo. Hey, there's a
Have a
6th gen right there. Look at that.
People are looking. That's got a wheelie bar. That thing's gotta be
That's
fast.
gotta be fast, man.
It's a Copo.
Is it a Copo?
It's a Copo.
What a Copo! We've
definitely
seen a
gonna walk
Copo,
down.
guys.
Definitely gonna walk down and check that out.
Definitely gonna do it. Definitely.
But John's probably down here in the VIP section, like.
Oh.
So.
That's not
And,
him.
That is him.
Oh, is it him? Oh.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, you guys came down here to figure out what real racing is, huh?
I'm-
Are you guys ready to drive? We got the car all ready and tuned up.
Well,
Ready.
drive
Go.
what?
We got your helmets?
Car right there. I need one.
I don't know.
Oh, we
I'm
got
tired.
helmets. We got helmets. Power glide, you can't mess it up. Come on, park it.
Is it automatic?
Power glide.
Anybody can drive a power glide.
Yeah.
Put a 6-speed on
Your
there.
helmet.
Put a 6-speed in there, man.
Go fast. Pull wheelies.
Is there any room out front of you? Is there any room out
Pull
front?
around in the grass.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
All right. Love you. See you soon. Look at that. I don't know, somebody yelled it. All right, guys, I'm going to end my portion of this video, obviously. If you enjoyed the video, do me a big favor, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing.
Deuces, guys.
Deuces, guys.
Roll the outro.
That was the outro.
I know.